Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday we discussed the recent reversal in the gold market and said that it's probably the breaking of the short-term sentiment, as market shows a really sharp reversal recently. And yes, of course, it was some background fundamentally, but from the technical point of view, the situation when the market ignores the upper target and turns down earlier, ignoring this target, showing the significant sell-off, it usually has the background of the break in short-term sentiment. It's not happens just occasionally. So currently with the weighting down, we said that maybe later this could be some upward reaction, because a lot of different markets shows the resistance support areas simultaneously. So on the euro currency, we talked about 116. On interest rates, we're talking about 2%. On the gold, we're talking about 16.40 and so on. So on the dollar index as well as market coming to the major 618 resistance. So all this stuff could coincide in one moment, and there harmonically start the retracement. From that standpoint, on the gold market, you could see that it's logical to suggest another downward continuation because of major XOP here on the daily chart that has not been hit yet, 1670, and our major support cluster around 1645 approximately. It's butterfly extension, which is more important than weekly OP, right around the major support. Probably also could be the daily result as well. So, although tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Friday, non-farm payroll release could bring some surprises to the market, but following the current technical picture, it seems that another drop here is just a question of time, and probably not too extended time, so it could happen within the couple of sessions until the end of the week, definitely. So that's actually what we have on the daily. On the intraday charts, on the 4-time frame chart, mostly the same picture. Market has completed our XOP 1688 right here from this AEB-CD pattern that we discussed recently. So this target has been completed. And currently, since market takes some pause, scalp traders could consider some pullbacks, for instance. If by some reason indeed will be some retracement here, you could see that we could get some Jordan pattern, since this recent thrust looks not nice. We have 8 bars to the downside. All bars are rather extended. And for instance, the pullback somewhere to the 1698, 17 even, that will be, by the way, also the confidence resistance. This could be a great chance to go short with the bread and butter sell pattern on the 4-time frame chart that we have currently on the gold market. So, in 2 words, we're watching for downward continuation. Our destination to the downside stands around 1645. We think that's a question of time, and that should happen relatively soon. Around 1645, we start thinking about taking the long position, not because the changing of the long-term tendency, but just because of the strong support on the higher time frames, where on the daily chart, hopefully we will get some moderate pullback. That is suitable context for taking short-term long position on the daily chart. While we are going to the downside and market stands above 1645, we could consider taking the short position if meaningful pullback, meaningful retracement happens on the intraday charts. For instance, if we will get the bread and butter sell around 17 even, why not? So it could be considered for taking the short position. Taking the long position right now, well, it's very risky, and we do not think that's a really good idea. So that's our opinion on the gold market.